Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Summer is here, and when I think of summer, I think of mangoes. And today we're going to make this incredibly delicious curry chicken mango. You can make it in 30 minutes, absolutely delicious. So let me walk you through this. So what I've got here are 2 mangoes I've just kind of cubed up. So I'm just going to add these to my blender. 1.5 cups of coconut cream, and this is heavy coconut cream. And if you're diet conscious, you can use yogurt. I'm just going to slip the top on. And of course, blend it up. And if you don't have a blender, you can always mash it up. And we're just going to set this aside. Next, we're going to add some oil to a pan. And this is kind of over medium-high heat. Add in a small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 thumb-sized ginger. And we're just going to saute these for a few minutes. After the spices are fragrant, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of mild curry powder, a tablespoon of turmeric, and of course some always salt and pepper to taste. And we're just going to give these a stir around. This smells incredible, guys. And of course, don't be afraid to add in a bit more oil, if the pan gets too dry. Now I'm going to add in a couple of chicken breasts that I've cubed up. And we're just going to fry these up until they're brown. Now the chicken is nicely brown. I'm going to add in my mango coconut sauce. A little bit of liquid. Now I'm just adding water, but you can add chicken stock or vegetable stock, whatever you like. Of course, we're going to stir and bring this to a boil. And we're just going to lower the heat and simmer this for about 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. If you like this dish, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification button. That way you'll never miss a video. After about 15 minutes, everything is simmered up so beautifully, and oh my goodness, this smells and looks incredible. Okay, so what I've done here is kill the heat, and I'm just going to spoon this up and plate it up over a bed of steamed rice. This smells and looks so good, guys. Then garnish it up with some cilantro, just for that greenish effect. And there you have it, our mango curry chicken. Okay, let's dig in here. Guys, this is so good. The curry, the acidity from the mango, the spices, absolutely incredible. You gotta make this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes over there. Give us a thumbs up and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.